Hi guys, Jason Craigg here and welcome to another training healthy Christmas recipe series. In the next few days, we're going to be looking at some super healthy yet fun recipes. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Nutrition, exercise, rest. The ingredients needed for optimum health. A simple combination until the demands of life are added. This is especially true for working professionals who spend 8 hours or more at their respective discipline, concentrating their full attention to advancing the corporate ladder while neglecting the body that supports their success. If this sounds like you, then you have come to the right channel. By making a few simple adjustments, you can dramatically transform your life, and I'm here to show you how. My name is Jason Craigg, and as an ex-airline pilot who was always on the go, working out in hotel rooms and eating what's available, I understand the challenges of trying to be healthy on a busy schedule. So join me as we uncover more healthy solutions for busy professionals like you.
Welcome back to day number 2 of our healthy Christmas recipe series. Today we'll be looking at 3 desserts, and these are healthy desserts. Again, it doesn't require much ingredients, really simple to make, and it's brought to you by the Serious Fitness YouTube channel. I'll put his link in the description so you guys can go ahead and check him out. Let's jump right into this delicious dessert recipe.
Alright guys, hope you enjoy that video. Most importantly, incorporate it into your Christmas cooking. Remember guys, some of these things can be swapped out with local foods that we have here. So feel free to experiment, just use these as a guide so you can still have fun eating what you love in a healthier way. If you guys love this video, share it with 3 friends that might be interested in this. Also, if you have not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Until our next video, Jason Craigg here, providing healthy solutions for busy professionals like you.